Hi everyone, I'm Kate and today I'm doing a side-by-side comparison of these two beautiful toppers. I have the Upgrade Courtney and the new Airy Elegance closed lace front from their Swiss Luxe Lace collection. Both of these toppers are in truffle brown, 16-inch Remy human hair. So let's jump into it and look at the features and differences between these two toppers. Starting with the cap construction, the Upgrade Courtney cap is 7 by 8 inches. It has a mono top right here and then the wefting that goes around the sides and the back. This mono top area is all hand tied, so it gives a very natural look, and the hair can be parted anywhere within this mono top area. It also has a very thin front mono area right here, so it sits very flat on the hair. The Airy Elegance, this one has a slightly smaller cap, a 6.5 inches by 7 inches. It has a larger hand-tied Swiss lace area, which gives you greater parting flexibility, and it's also lighter and more breathable. The Swiss lace is ultra thin and airy. It also has the new feature of the closed lace front, so it's a finished lace edge here, so no need to trim lace or glue this one down. It has a very natural look. The Courtney topper is 130% density and Airy Elegance is 120% density. If you're looking for something that has a little bit more volume, easy to throw on and just go, Upgrade Courtney is a great choice. If you're looking for something a little lighter, a little less hair, you might want to look at the Airy Elegance. So I am going to just really quickly show you how I put on the Courtney topper. I line up as best I can see the part of the topper with my part. I unclip and scoop, unclip and scoop. I do that all the way around, holding it down on the top, and I stretch it out a little bit, but not too tight because I don't want to be pulling my natural hair underneath there. Unclip, hold it down and scoop, and I take my bio hair under here and I just brush it out so that it is blending with the topper. That's pretty much it. I mean, I might fuss with it a bit more and I'll use some hair building fibers, but really, I mean, that didn't even take me a minute. And look how perfect it is. Show you all sides. It's just so easy to pop this on and go. Upgrade Courtney. You gotta love her. Okay, so now I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how I put on the Airy Elegance. So first off, I take my hair and I just put it in a little kind of bun at the back. Just put that right there. Then taking the topper, I have it facing away from me and I pop the halo wire over the top of my head like that. So it's going underneath. The wire is underneath this little bun of hair right here. And pull it up and over and get those wires up behind. And then once you've got that on, you can take this bun, the little band out. So let your hair down at the back and then take the 4 clips. Looks very natural right there. I like to pop mine back a little bit, and then I take some of my hair out and I pull it out from underneath that wire and then just pull that up. And then just give it a brush stroke. So here it is. As you can see, it's super natural and flat. So anyway, but that's it. That's as easy as that one is. So Airy Elegance, as you can see, just that extra step, but still easy breezy. So thanks.